I'm telling you, I'm the new Blue Ribbon Committee Chair because there's a new Senate majority. Yung sinasabi po nila sila Senator Marcoleta, hindi na po sila majority, nasa minority. They only have 10. There will be a Blue Ribbon Committee hearing on Monday. We are just moving the scheduled date from tomorrow to prepare all members. Matter of fact, I declare and I manifested that all members of the Senate be in the majority and the new minority now, they are all members of the Blue Ribbon Committee para wala pong masabi na ika nga may hocus-pocus. Pertaining to those invited resource persons, hindi po ako sang-ayon because we have to review these people. May sasabihin po ba talaga? Mayroon po bang i-disclose? We have to review this. Number 2, the proper way to invite resource persons, you do not give it out to the media. You give it to the members first. Ang nangyari po kanina, yung lista na sinasabi nilang invited sa Blue Ribbon, hindi po dumaan sa tamang process. It should have been given first to the members para kung may idadagdag, may ipapabawas doon, sabihin hindi, wala ito. The members should have been consulted.